Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So today I gonna show you this makeup look. So let's get start into the video. అందరికీ శ్రావణ శుక్రవారం శుభాకాంక్షలు. శ్రీదేవి ఉవాచ. Okay, let's start the makeup look. Okay, first of all, I am using this Fair and Lovely fairness cream as a primer. Okay, now apply on your face and neck evenly. Please subscribe my channel guys and hit the bell icon. Never miss another update video. Please like my videos. Okay, now applying completed primer. Okay, now I am applying this compact powder, Maybelline Fit Me compact powder with a beauty blender. Okay, next I am using this eyebrow pencil from Lakme for filling my eyebrows. Okay, next I am using this kajal from iTex. Okay, next I am using this mascara from Blue Heaven. Okay, next from Color Bar lipstick. Okay, next I am using this eyeshadow palette from Maybelline. I am using that coral color on that palette. Next I am using same eyeshadow palette for my blushes. I am applying very light baby pink color for my cheekbones. Next, very important thing for Indian Hindu girls, put a bindi. So this is my makeup look guys for Friday special. By the way, I am wearing today Friday special lehenga style saree. If you want a tutorial, let me comment it below. Will coming surely on that lehenga style saree video. Please subscribe my channel guys and hit the bell icon. Never miss another update video. Please give a big thumbs up. Thank you all.